Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Look at the view. There are so many cars parked on the country road. What the people are doing here? Let's go and check out. Look, there are two road stands selling some cool drinks and some snacks here. In recent days, across Sichuan province, temperatures have skyrocketed, reaching a maximum of 35 degrees Celsius. People, whatever in rural area or city area, were searching for spots to escape the heat and enjoy cool weather.
You can see the kids are learning swimming in this swimming pool. The water is from the stream. Wow. People are having hot pots in the stream. Attention 第一，往前面走，我们去上游。Guys, you can see when people are enjoying the cool water in the stream, and they put the tables, chairs in the stream. This is a good way to enjoy the cool water. But as I can see, the water here is not very clean. It looks a little blurry. Look, maybe many people are walking and playing inside. So the sand, the soil, and the mud is mixed with the water. So this is a very common village. In the summer, people come here from cities to enjoy the cool water. Look at the sun, it's so strong.
Currently, I'm in a village. Look at the environment. There are so many paddy fields and villager houses and some bamboo trees. This is a very typical Chinese rural area. Look at this. There is a pool. This is a spring pool. So you can see the water in the stream is from that pool. Look, the water is flowing out from that section into this stream. So in this region, there are many different scales of the spring pool. So the water here is very clean, without any chemical pollution. There are just some dry leaves, grasses inside. So it's very clean, and the water is a little bit cool. Nearly all the swimmers in this pool come from the surrounding villages, so most of them know one another. They chat and laugh together, filling the air with local dialect and cheerful laughter.
Guys, finally we found this spring pool. Look, this is a source of this stream. The water here is very cool and very clean. There are just some leaves and some clean stuff inside.
Some local people are also swimming in this spring pool. They always come here to enjoy the cool water. And you can see the water is very clean. And in this section in front of me, it's about 4 meters, so it's a little bit deep. I almost can't get the pool bed. This time I almost get the bottom of this spring pool. You can see there is a layer of sand and some gravels. Local people are very friendly and they are very talkative. The spring outlet is just at the central section of this spring pool. Water is constantly coming out of that outlet all year round, never stop, even in the dry seasons. In winter, the water here is warmer than that in other streams, so every winter people like to come here to wash their clothes. Local people can use the spring pool to water their fields, wash clothes, and swim. They hang out here for outdoor activities, and many even take its water to make some food. Look at the view, it looks so beautiful. You can see the mountain ranges over there, and I can see the clouds, the sunset. What a beautiful and quiet village. A bunch of people are playing in this spring pool, and there are several. The boy has been standing here for at least 2 minutes. He was viewing the situation in the pool and hated if he should jump in from a high place here.
It's so clean.
This spot was simply a paradise for kids. They were laughing, swimming, playing, and shouting in the pool.
哇，这水好清啊！这水好大呀，哥，比那边那个水大好多，而且比那边水要干净。老板，你们是下乡烤酒啊？哦，你们现在有没有酒呢？有啊。有酒啊？有啊。
When I was driving home, I found the machine and the truck. This is a mobile distillery. They are father and son. They work together. They are also
work that.
They just come back from their customers' home. And I asked the price of their liquor. It's about 20 yuan half kg.
打一瓶回去搞一下呢？我打一瓶。打一瓶啊。
对吧？
给你害我头回买2回。
真的啊？
要打啊，打不进啊。
我今天第一次这儿游泳。
你是哪里的？
我是成都那边的。
成都那边哈。
哎。
啊，这个酒喝了你放心得很。
哦，你们还下乡去考究哈？
下乡在养屋头。
哦 ，guys, look, this is a mobile distillery. I just found an empty bottle. 对啊，带小孩出来耍嘛。小孩放假了。
那不中午都没回去哦。打平平了。
哎，我们下午才来的。
哦。
哎。
我要那晚上还是可以耍的。
我们刚去那个搏击拳。
可以干养点那个。
反正我挣80嘛，我过年我要送人的时候我要买得多。哦。嗯。嗯。You can see the owner raise some geese and hens.
今天上午还出来。
哦。
下午热得很。
嗯。晓得绵竹这边出酒的嘛？This is a small yard and covered by the roof. Transparent roof. Look at the huge jar. 哇！
我问你下就晓得了。
这好多的呀？
要装一斤多。
哇，巴适。
啊？
我觉得还可以。
我都想了。嗯。我自己看。
嗯。哇，可以。这个是好钱斤的？
啊？
这个好钱斤的？
这20块钱嘛。
要得。过年的时候那时候在送的，一般一年送一次。
这个酒拿到成都要卖50块钱一斤。
嗯。
我这老汉自己放，我这个都是。我去年是在双流装铁装了3天。
嗯。
他说的5块钱2那个酒喝得老子胀脑壳。
嗯，你看这都是原成的，是吧？
这个是粮食啊。
嗯。
我们全部是用自己的粮食搞的。
嗯。好。
这个70平米。
回去给我老汉儿尝一下，可以我就过年我还要来。我经常在。
有机会走再来，你来要就是。
要得，我经常在绵竹出差。
好。可以。
绵竹还有青岛，还有那边那个以前的地震发生地方叫啥？哦，汉王，对，汉王。哦，你们这台机器还是有点重哦，哈，反正就车子上客气，不搬下来，嘎。
哎，要搬。
要搬下来还是？
哎呀，工作的时候。
好，要得，再见，老板。
这是一个吊车用吊。
哦，吊车吊上去的。哦，那个吊车，嘎。
哦。
Look, that is a crane. They use the crane to upload the 2 containers. 走了，再见，哈。Guys, this is the harvest today. After we left that village, we went to the town area and had our dinner there. After our dinner, we drive home. Now you can see it's getting dark. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.